Hello everyone, today I will cook a sandwich. The ingredients are 2 slices of bread, smoked beef, lettuce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, and mayonnaise. First, prepare all the ingredients. Then heat a pan with butter. Roast smoked beef and bread. Second, put a little tomato sauce and chili sauce on the bread. Put the smoked beef and lettuce on a slices of bread. Give mayonnaise on smoked beef. Stack again with lettuce. And finally, cover with bread. Done. Enjoy your sandwich.